How to use Twitter for beginners. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can use Twitter as if you are a beginner on the app. Simply open up Twitter app and you'll get an interface like this. Now, if you want to post tweets, what you can do is tap on the blue icon, feather icon that you can find at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it and here you'll be able to post your tweets. You can create tweets here, you can type in your tweets. If you want to add images, you can simply tap on the gallery icon that you'll find at the screen. Tap on it and you'll be able to access photos and videos on this device once you allow it. And you can add pictures or you can add GIF here. You can search in for GIF from at the search bar, or you can simply tap on GIF and you can add it. The other option is you can create a poll here by tapping on the poll icon that you can find beside the GIF icon, and here you'll be able to create poll, the voting poll, or you can tweet your location as well by tapping on the location icon. Now, if you are typing in a long tweet and your words you are not able to type in anymore, you can tap on the plus icon that you can find on the screen and then you can add another tweet and these two tweets will be posted together. Now, this is for posting. However, if you want to change your account settings, what you can do is tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen, and here scroll down below, head into settings and support, and under settings and privacy you'll find all your account settings. You can find your account settings under your account. You can find your security and account access. You can monetize your account. You can see the privacy and safety option here. You can set your account private under audience and tagging. So these are essentially the beginner guide for Twitter users. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.